keep falling down, and soothe me with that drip drop sound, side by side with this window pane. Serenity sings to me, oh, keep on coming down. Comfort me against the glass, cleanse me as you fall down my face. Tap, tap in the puddles at my feet, keep me forgetting all my worries. Let the rain fall all around me. Today is here, tomorrow is gone. Water from the sky slows me down, so I can rest and relax from my busy schedule. All appointments are canceled during my meeting with all this rain. Hey, let me in this storm, it all just comforts me. After the gray skies, tranquility falls down with an aquatic sigh. Comfort me against the glass, cleanse me as you fall down my face. Tap, tap in the puddles at my feet, keep me forgetting all my worries.